Top of the morning. Alright, so right now I'm off to meet my boy so I can drop off this exhaust to him. I'm pretty much gonna meet him like halfway to where his shop is. So it's almost like an hour. And then I have to come back, hop in the R8, and then drive all the way back down to the shop. Let's get it. So that's that. That's dropped off. I'm heading back home. Grab the R8, heading to the shop. I'm tired. I had like 3 hours of sleep. You know why? Because I was doing car shit. Yeah, dog. That shit clean food. Alright, it's gonna be the last cold start on the stock exhaust. I need to grab some oil. I put about 4,000 miles on the oil change and it probably lost about half a quart, which is normal for these. Added half a quart real quick.
And now your level indicator is available after driving a short distance. You're good.
Never see those. It's pretty clean. Can't go wrong with blue. Alright, so this is valves closed. Super quiet. Downshift sound retarded. It's basically just all engine noise. It's not a bad exhaust at all. For stock, it's really not bad. But you gotta be ricer. More loud is always better. Show you guys how identical my red is to Ferrari red. Actually, mine's a little darker. A little darker. Sheesh. Oh yeah, kicks of the day. Motorsport 6s. Thing is ugly. Looks like old school fence. We got a Fresh Kicks part out over here.
Like, yeah, you're lucky.
Yeah.
11 seconds.
Sick.
What?
Plus 80 wheel.
14. put stickers on
Yeah,
it.
for sure. For sure, for sure. Damn, Daniel. That's sick. Sound pretty good. Sound like a tollmate, dog. Yeah, sounds sick. Damn. Very nice. That's for sure loud enough. Oh yeah.
Can't go anywhere in this car, dude.
Nowhere. Switch more. Play me a song. Alright, I'm pretty happy. It sounds like pretty damn sick. I can't even front. Huge shout out to Fab Speed. Couldn't thank you guys more for helping me out with that small sponsorship. This thing sounds sick. I'll throw their website link below. Super dope quality. Everything worked out great. Once again, huge shout out to you guys. Appreciate that. This thing sounds a beast. Let me close the valves. And valves closed. It's not droney. It's not raspy. A1. A1s. I'm gonna give it A+ to the Fab Speed. It sounds sick. Thank you guys. The GoPro videos is about to be lit. Actually did the air filters as well. And yeah, with the exhaust, and it dropped about like 40 pounds, and I did the air filters. I definitely felt a difference. It definitely has a small gain, even with no tune. Like I for sure felt a difference. Like on my Z, when I would do bolt-ons, like I wouldn't really feel a difference, but on this one, like for sure, yeah, I for sure felt a difference. That shit snaps gears hard. So very nice. I like